Hey fashion fans, Google just dropped Doppl, an AI-powered app that lets you try on outfits virtually in seconds. Ready to revolutionize your style game? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into this stylish Google Labs experiment. Google launched Doppl, a Google Labs app that uses AI to show you how outfits look on a digital version of you. Available now on iOS and Android across the US, it's like a virtual dressing room with animated flair. Want to see how it works? Keep watching. Doppl lets you upload a full-body photo to create a personalized avatar. Snap pictures of outfits from thrift stores, social media, or friends, and Doppel's AI generates images and videos of you rocking those looks, showing you how they move in real life. Save your favorite styles, browse past try-ons, or share them with friends. It's fashion tech at its coolest. Getting started is easy. Upload a full-body picture, then add images of outfits you're eyeing, maybe a jacket from Instagram or a dress from a store. Doppel's AI creates a virtual try-on, complete with animated photos to see the outfit in action. Whether you're mixing and matching or planning a shopping spree, Doppl makes styling fun and effortless. Ready to try it? As a Google Labs experiment, Doppel's an early peek at AI-driven fashion. It helps you explore your style without buying a thing, while Google gathers data to refine future tools. With its US launch on iOS and Android, it's a game changer for shoppers and trendsetters. Could this be the future of trying on clothes? Grab Doppl from the App Store or Google Play today and start virtually trying on outfits. Whether you're hunting for thrift store gems or planning a bold new look, Doppel's got you covered. What's the first outfit you're trying on? Drop it below. That's the scoop on Google's Doppl AI outfit app. Are you hyped to try on clothes virtually or loving those animated style videos? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.